Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing a 2019 Ram 1500. This is a crew cab Bighorn Ram. Just pulling in for my test drive. Overall, a very sound vehicle. I didn't feel any issues with the brakes. I didn't hear any noises on suspension, which is really to be expected. The vehicle has 23,283 miles, so it's very close to new, being a 2019. I'm going to flip this camera around. We'll take a look at the inside, and then we'll review the outside. And overall, I think what you'll find is what I've found is a super clean vehicle. So interior does have the backup monitor integrated into the radio. Nice big flat screen, touch screen. As you can see here, you can do climate controls here, which is where I had it. Also have AM, FM, and Sirius radio. Now this is a Chrysler certified pre-owned vehicle, so you get 3 months of that Sirius radio at no cost to you. On top of that, you do have heated seats in the front up here, and also heated leather wrapped steering wheel. And lastly, on here you have your navigation controls. This vehicle is equipped with navigation, so that's nice here. What we have down here is a couple radio knobs and the heating and air conditioning knobs that are redundant. They do the same thing as the radio, so if you're more of a knob person, it has the knobs. Same with the heated seats and heated steering wheel. Down through here, it does have front park sensors and rear park sensors. So as you pull forward and you get close to something while parking, it's going to let you know when you get too close by beeping at you. Same with in reverse. If the kid's left a bicycle back there, it's going to let you know. Back here, or down here, it does have the CD player as well as USB ports for your devices, both USB-C and normal, and an auxiliary port there. It does have 2 slots here where you can put your phone to keep it in place. And then down through here, got the factory books and even some more storage down there. A couple beverage holders, your change holder. It does have the keyless entry remote as well as remote start on that remote. Down through here, more glove box area. And up top here, a good spot to put your phone and keep it out of viewing of people. 2 glove boxes over here in the passenger area. And then I did pull up the history report. It does show it is a true one owner. Scores really good. As you can see, it scores a 96. It says like vehicle scored up to 95. So this one's literally off the charts, and no history of any accidents or hail damage or water damage that this vehicle's been in. Has this premium upgraded cloth seats, nice thick material, you can tell, and I can just tell by the color it's going to withstand stains very good. Center shifter here, also selector here for your 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive options. Coming here to the steering wheel and center cluster panel, it is the electronic cluster panel. No lights or anything up here. Everything looks nice and clean. Hands-free connectivity here for your phone off to the left, cruise control on the right, and gear selector down here. Automatic headlights, adjustable foot pedals. Those are going to be your gas and brake. So if you're real short or real tall, you can push them away or bring them towards you accordingly. Power adjustable mirrors. These mirrors will actually fold in. If you're parking in maybe the garage and it's really tight, or on the street, you don't want someone knocking off your mirror, you can hit this button here and then will come the mirrors. Of course, they are remote mirrors. Power windows, power locks. Got some map lighting heat, controls up here, and programmable garage door controls. Let's check out the outside. This is the brilliant black pearl coat. Really a nice shine on this black paint job. And this has the black appearance package, which is going to get you the black grill insert, as you can see here. Really looks sharp. Overall, front of this vehicle does show a couple of minor rock chips up here, to be expected, but overall really clean. Windshield, I don't see any chips in the windshield. Has 20-inch black alloy wheels, wrapped in Bridgestone rubber. Plenty of tread left on the tires. This is a crew cab, which is the biggest cab. Again, Chrysler certified pre-owned as well. So in the crew cab, a couple nooks down here for storage. Get a lot of leg room. Look at all that. Hookups for USB back here for the passengers. Flip up seats for extra storage. Just an amazing, amazing truck. Coming back here to the rear. Dual exhaust. All black badging. This is a Bighorn. Black Ram badging and black 4x4 badging. It does have the dampening tailgate, which is also a locking tailgate. Sorry about that. But it does come down slowly, being dampening. Spray and bed liner, as you can see here. Nice that has a locking tailgate. If you want to put a topper on there, you can secure your stuff a little bit better. Passenger side here. Paint looks good over here. Overall, nice, clean truck. Front to back, inside out. It is powered by the 5.7 liter Hemi engine. Sweet truck. If this is something on your list, I hope this review assists in your purchase. We have a couple more items on our website that can assist you. We've got finance where you can get approved on this truck or any of our vehicles right from home. Just click on the link below. And same with the trade link. You can get your trade value right from home. Just click on that link below. Make sure you check out the current price on this. It's a really good deal. So take care, everyone.